and then your IGN is Shadowfax. So, what is the history behind Shadowfax name?
Actually, ayun, nasabi ko na siya yung brief la, yung kaka-addict ko ng Lord of the Rings, and then I changed to Shadowfax. So, Shadowfax is yung talaga yung kabayo ni Gandalf, yung white horse na yun. Sabi ko na, I'm gonna change my name because mag-iiba na ako eh. Parang gusto ko na itong kunin ng Rain as pangalan ko na talaga. I think I'm gonna change my IGN name. So, ano kayong pwede? So, yun, sa kakakanood ko ng Lord of the Rings, naghahanap na ako. So, yung choices ko is Legolas and Gimli. Silang dalawa is one of my favorite character. And then, sabi ko parang may kulang. Then, ayun, napakilala yung Shadowfax. Sabi ko, okay, I think I'm gonna use this name because of Shadow. I really love using assassin character or anything that's have dual blades. If wala naman siya, I use characters that have bows and arrows. Yung ibang character, yung skills niya is more on assassination. Kaya sabi ko, okay, I think I'm gonna get Shadowfax. Pero, dinagdagan ko lang ng isang X, baka makapiright ko if gagawin ko yung page.